On the 3rd of November, United Nations Human Rights summoned Honorable Gilbert Olanya, the Member of Parliament for Clark South, who is facing a lot of problems. He's facing a lot of issues. From Acholi sub-region, which is also facing a lot of problems and a lot of issues. The UN Human Rights Commissioner accused Gilbert Olanya of promoting sectarianism or segregation. But what happened when Olanya went? Olanya went? Respected that someone went to the office and told the UN Human Rights Commissioner that he is not participating in what they're calling promoting sectarianism. He brought up an issue which is affecting his society, that is Acholi. And then even President Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda, accepted the fact that indeed the people who are being called the Balal must leave northern Uganda, of which he gave executive orders for they to be followed by the Balalo. So Gilbert Olanya said the UN human rights should respect Museveni first of all. In any case, he said they should first start by summoning Museveni before summoning him. What funny thing that went there is he went with some t-shirts written on it, below must go, and give it as a gift to the UN Human Rights Commission. I'm challenging them to also wear the t-shirt to prove in they respect President Museveni. So Olanya did something funny, but it was actually a right thing. In case you have not yet watched that video of Olanya confirming what he did, check the link in the description. You will see it. Thank you.